we're gonna go hit my favorite Jeep trail from back in the day, Cork Ridge. The Rocky Mountain pinstriping is definitely getting got. This video is brought to you in part by Toy Factory Fab, Alberta OHV Trail Riders. Hello and good morning, YouTube. Thank you for coming to the channel. Today we're headed out to the bush. It is a very special day for two reasons. Number one, we're gonna go hit my favorite Jeep trail from back in the day, Cork Ridge. We're gonna attempt to get up to the very top and back again in a full-size truck, which I haven't done before. So that is gonna be interesting. There's some tight spots, some off-camber stuff. It's gonna be super fun. Number two, it's my birthday today. So happy birthday to me. We're doing a little birthday wheeling day. So it should be a good time. We're all gassed up. Bluebird skies. We're already up to 21 degrees. Let's get to the trails and let's find out what's gonna happen. Just getting in here now. This road has been beat up. Whoever's been going to McLean, you've been doing a good job because you are beating up this road. Look at this view. Hot diggity. All the nice views around here. I love it, except for this guy making a little snow cloud for me.
Hey everybody.
What's going on? We made it.
It's Jeff and Griffin from Country Slicker, and we are here at McLean today, and it is absolutely gorgeous. We got the Tremor, and we're actually going to try Cork Ridge with the Tremor. We've been up there quite a few times in our side-by-sides and stuff like that, but we're now going to try it with the truck. So
try it with a full size. We'll see what happens. Never seen a full size up there. Definitely never done it ourselves. Always Jeeps or side by sides. So. And
today is actually kind of a special day. Is Griffin's birthday. So
whoop. Old as fuck now.
Yeah.
Or old as heck. Can't say that.
So make sure you leave a message and a comment and wish him happy birthday. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. And hopefully we can get this big beast up there and have a great day. Right?
That's right, man. Let's go. Let's try it. Let's see what happens.
All right, let's go.
All right, so like Jeff was saying, typically we don't take full sizes up here, but we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. At the end of the day, it's a fun trail. It's definitely challenging. Couple obstacles, lots and lots of rocks, lots of sharp rocks. So we did air down to about 18 psi. Actually, sorry, that's not true. 18 in the front, 16 in the rear. So we'll get up a little bit and see what happens. We're on a little bit of a limited time basis today. So yeah, hopefully we have enough time to get all the way up and all the way back. It's about a 50K round trip. So see what we can do. getting that elevation. I'm really impressed, you know, as long as it's dry, these AT tires are just fine. I mean, you see a lot of guys swapping these tires out as soon as you get them, and I really wanted to run this thing in stock form for a few trails and see how it performed before I started switching tires. These are fine. You know, you air them down. The truck is saying I'm at 19 PSI. I thought I had aired it down to about 16, but yeah, aired down. These tires do just fine. You got to remember you're running a full size, so you've got a little bit more weight behind your truck, but it's just fine. Like, it's not a big deal. And with that torsion diff, like, man, I'm just crawling over everything on this trail. Like, this is easy peasy Japanesey, no problems. So some of those ledges are super aggressive for a full size. Like, I was flexed right out. I don't know how well the footage turned out, but you could see it's this truck is pretty flexed out. Couldn't ask for a better trail day in terms of conditions. It's nice and dry, albeit a little bit rocky, but yeah, it's good. Trail conditions are awesome, and this trail is every bit as aggressive as I remember in the Jeep and then some. I'm definitely pulling belly pans and skid plates a little bit. Through that last little section of whoops, I did actually pop my rear locker on, just because, you know, I was losing traction in those flexed and off-camber situations. So, but man, pretty cool that I can pull 10,500 pounds with my RV and my side-by-side hooked up behind this thing, and then come out and hit a trail like this. Like, that's just insane to me. Like, Ford, man, did you ever deliver when you made this truck? Like, you guys did a bang-up job. So, really liking it. And you can definitely feel too, another thing I should mention, you can really feel that front torsion diff kicking in. Especially, there's been twice that I'm like, oh gosh, I'm out. Like, that's it. I don't have the grip in the front. And then you can kind of feel it. It's like a, I won't call it a hesitation, maybe like a stutter. And it sort of stutters and then kicks. You can feel those both front tires start grabbing traction, which is super nice. Right at the top of this trail, like just like 100 feet from the top, there's a very tight section between these two trees. And I remember it when I was in my ZJ. And I remember struggling to get through it and push through it. And I remember guiding other buddies that have gone through. It's really tight and it's on the side of a cliff. So it's kind of a high risk, high reward situation. We're still gonna try it. But we're really gonna have to take a peek when we get up there and make sure that this thing will fit through, because one good slip and you're into the side of a tree and you're throwing dents in your box and everything. And I'm really, you know, I'm not gonna say I try to baby this truck, but I'm definitely not out here trying to break it. So yeah, we'll see kind of once we get up there what that's gonna look like for us. top. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
Fuck, she's tight up here.
Oh, yeah.
Those trees, like, she is earning her keep today. Good thing for skid plates. That is tight. That, I just about lost my box on this corner here. You had to kind of make a sharp V, and I just about lost it on that rock there. But we're good. So as discussed, this is the tight spot. This is the spot I was worried about on the way up, and I'll show you guys kind of what we're looking at here. So I have to get over a rock, and then it's a really tight section through. So you have to come up, you have to get over this rock, which is gonna be the big issue for me. I don't know if I have the ground clearance. So what I might do is just stack some shit. I might do a little stacky here just to get over this. And then right here, you have to be between these two perfectly, or you either hit that tree or you hit a beautiful section of rock right there. So we're gonna see what we can do, see how we can finagle this. So that was point of no return, but we definitely scraped. I felt her. Let's see, let's assess. Oh yeah, thank you running board. So to everyone that says these running boards aren't good, look at this. Door still opens. Still on there. Good old Raptor running boards. If you guys want to know if they work as skid plates, I mean, they're not meant to, but I think it did all right there. One last tight section here. We scooted through there just barely, but we did make it, and that was the hard part. And now it's time for that payoff, that reward. Look at this money shot. Yeah, baby. Woo! Work Ridge. Look at that. Woo! Made it up to the top. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that view. Look at that view. This is still to this day my favorite Jeep trail ever. Favorite Jeep trail ever. Apparently it's Tremor approved now. It's Tremor rated. We'll have to slap a sticker up here at some point. Amazing, not amazing. We scraped. We got some small bruises from it, but it made it. Man, what a product, Ford. Good job. And everyone that's watching this and going, can I off-road my Tremor? Holy moly, can you ever? Lock that rear end up, put it in 4-low, and go. Hell yeah. Look at that. You guys can see down there, that's the Elbow River. Beautiful. So, to everyone wondering, yes, you can do Cork Ridge in a full-size truck with some finesse. Was that close?
That was close.
That was close. I agree. Let's see the damage. We got, oh, let's see here. Let's see how bad it is. Oh, that's nothing. Just paint and a little bit of powder coat. A little bit of powder coat. Nothing too shabby. Nothing a respray would fix. This thing needs to be resprayed anyway. They should be color matched anyway. Awesome. Look at that. Nice and flexed out. She's stuffed real nice. It's good. Love it. Sorry, the stuffing thing is a Jeep thing. That's just, you know, old habits die hard, you know? We love to do a good flex. All the articulation. Love it. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, and for everybody wondering, no, your Chevy can't do this. Right? Had to take a shot, you know? Jeepers used to hate on Toyotas, I gotta hate on the Chevys. It is what it is. But yeah, beautiful. That was a hell of a run. Thank you so much, you guys. We're gonna sit up here, we're gonna enjoy the view. Just want you guys to see the perspective around here, you know, the vastness, the peaks. You know, the wildflowers are out. It smells amazing up here. It looks amazing. It's, you know, what an incredible experience. What an incredible day. What a great way to spend your birthday, you know? Jesus, I'm 32 years old, and it's good actually. I feel like I'm regressing and I'm losing my maturity as I get older, so that's a good thing. But thank you to everybody for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're still with us, please hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate that. It's necessary for us to keep making these videos, because believe it or not, we break stuff and it's expensive to fix. Thank you to Jeff for all the filming. That was awesome, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah. And thank you very much. Appreciate that. Appreciate the love. And also be sure to go over and follow him on Instagram. Check him out. He's got some sweet stuff on there, some side-by-siding, cool Jeep photos, all the rest, all the cool camping spots. Definitely give him a shout out. And you know what? We'll sign off, you guys. Until next time, Country Slicker out of here.